Well, good day, everyone. I just wanted to give you guys another quick update on what you're going to be doing this week. This week will be a little bit different from last week, but I got a couple things I wanted to talk to you about first. This week, you guys will notice that your assignments will be numbered, all right? So do the assignments in the order that they are numbered. They might not be in the right order when you look at them at the classwork tab, but make sure you do them. So number one, you do first. Number two, you do second, and so on and so on. So please make sure that you're doing the assignments in the right order this week. That'll make your life easier. It'll make my life easier, all right? Next thing, this week you guys will be watching some videos. Those videos are made by our textbook publisher. Now, they do give notes in those videos, so please make sure that if they give you notes in the video, that you copy those notes down, all right? So please make sure that you write those notes down, because next week, you guys will be taking a quiz on this material, all right? So this will be your first quiz on material that you've had to learn yourself, all right? So please make sure that you are taking notes and that you are paying attention to those videos. Now, those videos will be a little different because they're not exactly what we've been focusing on in class, but you guys should be able to figure it out with no problem. Next thing, tomorrow, Tuesday, the 31st, is transfer day, and so you are more than welcome to do work if you want, but I'm going to take the day off, so if you try to get a hold of me, I will not be able to get back to you until Wednesday, okay? So I am taking transfer day off, and then also next week on the 9th, April 9th, that's Thursday, that's actually when our spring break begins. And so if you want to get a hold of me, try to do it between Monday to Wednesday of next week if you have any questions on your assignments. Your assignments are still due on Friday, but just Thursday and Friday, I will not be responding to any emails, okay? Next thing, make sure that you guys ask questions between the hours of 8 and 3, please. I know some of you guys are doing your assignments later in the day. That's fine. Just if you have questions about them, please ask them between 8 and 3 if you can, so that I can get back to you as quickly as possible. And of course, don't wait until the last minute to turn in assignments. If it's Friday night and you're doing a test and you're confused, I can't help you out, okay? So please make sure that you are turning in your assignments not the last minute, and try to do it between the hours of 8 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon. Next thing, grades will be updated tonight, Monday night, on Headmaster. So don't worry too much about what Google Classroom is saying your grade is. Focus on your grade from Headmaster. If you don't know your Headmaster login or your parents don't know, please contact the office and they'll be able to get that taken care of for you. Next thing, in your assignments, please make sure that you guys give professional answers, all right? Now, I know you might be thinking, what does that mean? Well, it's easy. Firstly, no text speak. I know some of you guys are doing it on your phones and you're writing thanks. That's not a word, so please write out thanks. If you're writing you, please spell out the word you, and so on and so on. So I know some of you guys are doing it on your phone, but remember, you're answering questions, not texting your BFF. So please remember to give me professional answers and check your answers. Several of you guys on your questions from 2 weeks ago gave me answers that whenever you just read them, they didn't really make sense. So go back and double check your answers before you hit that submit button, and don't forget to hit that submit button, all right? And the last thing I wanted to say, please make sure that you guys turn your stuff in on time. If you guys things are due Friday night before midnight, so at 11:59, things are due on Friday night. You turn it in after that, and it will be late, and that means that it's going to be a 10% deduction, and that includes stuff you turned in last Friday if it was late. That'll be a 10% deduction from starting from stuff last week to this point on. All right, so please make sure that you turn stuff in Friday night before midnight, preferably way before then. Well, that's it. I appreciate you guys. I hope you're doing well. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know between 8 and 3. I love you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you guys soon, hopefully.